Chapter 6, Part 8. One day, Hussam was lecturing. Suddenly, he beckoned to one of the disciples and told him to go with all speed to the royal palace. Ask to see the queen. Give her his greeting and say to her, "Instantly quit this apartment thou art in, if thou wouldst avoid impending destruction, the result of God's decree." The queen believed his word and at once removed to another part of the palace. The apartment was speedily stripped of its furniture, and scarcely had the last loads been removed when, with a loud crash, the building fell in. Her faith in his miraculous power was thenceforward increased 100-fold. And sometimes when we take off the veils of ignorance, or we put on the weights of doing the right thing per se, that it lightens us to the point where we can get who knows how much more as a result. Well, God knows, of course, but don't limit yourself to what you haven't tried. I mean, don't limit yourself in thinking, well, I shouldn't even try because I'm not going to have much effect. It's like, it's going to be enough. Regardless, if you're doing the right thing or believing the right thing, it's enough.